next station is Canary Wharf. Doors will open on the right-hand side. Change for the DLR and the Elizabeth Line. This station is Canary Wharf. Change here for the DLR and the Elizabeth Line.
The next station is Canning Town. Doors will open on the right-hand side. Change for DLR, including services to the XL Exhibition Centre, London City Airport and City Hall. This station is Canning Town. Change here for DLR, including services to the XL Exhibition Centre, London City Airport and City Hall.
The next station is Stratford. Change for the Central Line, DLR, Elizabeth Line, London Overground and National Rail services. This station is Stratford. Change here for the Central Line, DLR, Elizabeth Line, London Overground and National Rail services.